Well, we did our research as we were going through the phases of the construction, and we were trying to find a product that was cost effective, low maintenance or no maintenance.
We looked at the terrazzo floors, and they're nice, very expensive, and then we looked at the Wolverine coating flooring, and we thought, wow, it's a lot less expensive, almost a third.
We did a lot of floor studies. We went, various places in the state looking at other floors that other people used, and quite honestly, everything we found just wasn't what we wanted. It just didn't have the pop that we were able to get with Wolverine Coatings. We love that you can get the custom colors because we're big Panthers around here, and in our town everything's purple and gold, and if it's not, it should be.
We've asked our first graders what do they like most about all the remodeling that's going on in their schools, and I'll quote the first grader says, "I love the floors," and we ask her why. She says, because they're sparkly.
It's a lot less work for our maintenance, for our custodial staff, and they love these floors.
On the old flooring, you can see scuff marks in the wax. With the Wolverine coating, it's just, easy. No scuff marks.
One of the worst things in the world is spending weeks, hours and hours waxing a floor and then have somebody come in and drag a disc across that newly waxed floor. The new Wolverine coating floor seems to be holding up really well. Hide scratches really well.
It cuts a lot of work time out, not having to wax and strip terrazzo. I can just put the epoxy comes down, it shines, keeps the shine, just run the machine, our floor machine over it, and it's Johnny on the spot. It's popping a shine the whole time. I mean, I like it now that I got it. I just don't have enough of it.
I would recommend the Wolverine floorings because they're clean, they're very bright and pretty, they're easy to clean, and improve the overall aesthetics of the hallway.
Wolverine Coatings has been really instrumental in us being able to bring our buildings up into the next century and having a modern-looking, functional building that's going to last for the next 50 years.
To me, it's amazing that you can get something this durable that looks this good for less cost. I just don't understand why every school in the world doesn't have these floors. It checks all the boxes.